Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to preserve coriander or cilantro for a longer period of time. So here I have some fresh coriander. I took off the roots and washed it for 3 to 4 times with clean water and then air dried it completely and made sure that there is no moisture or water left on the coriander leaves or the stem. So let's start with the first method. Here I have taken a clean paper towel or napkin. If you don't have it, you can even use newspaper. And I have divided my coriander leaves into small bunches. So I'll take one bunch and then place it on the edge of tissue paper, and then we will roll it so the coriander leaves get covered completely. Now we'll take another bunch. Place this and then again roll this and cover the bunch. Place the next bunch and then again roll and cover completely. Something like this. Now I'm going to store this in an airtight container. If you do not want to store it in a container, you can even put this in a Ziploc bag. Cover it and then we will put this inside the refrigerator, and this way the coriander leaves will stay fresh for about a month. So moving on to the second method. With this method you can store your coriander leaves fresh for about 3 months. So for that, here I have taken some coriander leaves which have been washed, completely dried, and then I have chopped it roughly. Now here I have taken a Ziploc bag. We will put the chopped coriander leaves inside the bag. So once we have put all the coriander leaves inside the bag, make sure that the bag is flat and you spread the coriander leaves evenly so there is one thin flat layer. Now try to squeeze out all the air from the bag. So you'll have a thin layer of coriander leaves. If you have a lot of coriander leaves, you can place them in 2 or 3 bags like this. Now once we have followed this step, we will keep the bag inside the freezer and your coriander leaves will be fresh to be used for 2 to 3 months. Once the coriander leaves are frozen, you can use them directly in your curries. No need to defrost it. So these were the methods by which you can store your coriander leaves fresh for a longer period of time. Hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.